What is up, everybody? How you all doing today? It's another beautiful day. Yes, it is. I hope everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day today. Yes. We're going to get on another bead making, jewelry, invention adventure here today. Yeah. So, we got our and yeah, so we're ready to do this. Let's get started. Alright, here we go, people. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful day today. Blessed day today. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Here we are. Got this. Cut us some. Let's see here. Alright, we got our wire now. I don't have to do that part. Put that up there and we can get into this. Alright, our wire. I really think that's going to be too small. It's too small. I'm going to make one. Redoing our wire here, that's too small. I'm going to have to use that for something else. Let's just wrap it up here. Our wire. That's good. Good for now. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, so we got our wire. And we need our watch holes. I'm going to use one of these for this. Because these, they don't come apart. So we get our crimpers here. We got crimp beads. Yeah, that's what I need for right now. That'll be back later. Alright. So. Yep, that's how we do that. Crimp beads on there, put the clasp on there, made my hoop, get it all crammed down. Alright. Pull test. Make sure it's good and sturdy. Alright, so what we're going to do. Get our holders. Pink ones. So we're going to start out with pink. Alright, so this is what we got going so far. That looks pretty good. Try and keep all the pink ones. I'm not going to put any white ones or clear ones or anything. I just want to do that. I put this one because it's got the pink like that. Making my little pattern here with these. Yeah, it's going to look good. Alright, so we'll get into getting this beaded up here. So, I do believe this will be about where the first charm needs to go. I'm trying to lay them out here. So I put one there, there, one there. So we're going to put our first charm on, which is a shark. A sharky. Let's see if these beads are going to... Alright, so we got shark on there, like so. Yeah. So, let me get that sail there, because you all know I'm doing that right now. So, I'm going to turn them on there. And let's do a little more of this pink before we get into the black. Put this one on right here, like so. No, not like that actually. Alright. I'm getting it figured out here, I think. And that's going to be the watch all right there. Alright, so we got that. Alright. Okay. I'm going to take care of that later. Put it up here. I'm going to put the black in the middle. See here. Black in there. So we got some black on there. And we're going with the, let's see here. And make sure. Oh yeah, the Seahorse is double-sided, which is nice. There we go. 2, 3. Just poking her through. 4. Alrighty. So I hope everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful day today. Please like and subscribe. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. I hope everybody's enjoying this video. Thank you for watching. So, come on. You know what it means. That is backward shark. Turn him around here. Alright, so we got that far. And we get the watch house. Alright. Wrong side. You have to flip her over. Get over here the right way. And then hang it to make sure that it's the right way. That looks good. Yep. We're getting her done. Poke it in there. Ready. Seahorse on there. Okay. Just checking here real quick. See where we're at. Oh. That should be plenty big enough. I'm hoping. Alright, let's get this finished up here, guys. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful day, a blessed day. This is a beautiful, wonderful, blessed day. Every day you wake up, it's a blessed day. Thank God for the blessings. Alright, there we go. We're almost done. Got her going here, looking good. Sharks and seahorses and a fin. Yeah, they wanted octopuses, but it took me 3 weeks just to get this stuff. So I'm just gonna have to make it like this, you know. I can get any octopuses. Where I got the ones that they don't have anymore. That's what I'm saying. Y'all get stuff in your store and I buy some. Then I go back to buy more and it's gone. It's not available anymore. It's like, okay. It's bad for business. When somebody does that to me, I don't go back to their place. I don't go back. A lot of people have the same idea as me, to not go back and be, let's see here. Put this nice little one that says, ah! Believe on it. Put that on there. Yeah. So, the good thing about it is, all I gotta do is, got it already on there. I don't have to, or anything. And of course, make your loop, you know, once you get it on there, make your loop, run it back through. Run it. Poke it through. Run it back through. I'm at that point where I gotta get it made up here. So what I need to do, because I'm getting to that point, I'm going to do it right now. Get it out of the way. Put this on there, right? The round-ended ones to make my hoop. Clamp it down and hold on to it. You get these little guys right here, and you find wherever I had that end at. Here. Yeah, there it is. And give her a good old pull. Just like so. Now you can get it around here and run your beads on it like so. You know, I want to leave some wire on here just in case, because you never know. Plus it'll help strengthen it up. Oh, watch out! Watch out! I went dang near back around the bracelet, so I'm gonna call that good right there. Go back and fix my wacha real quick. Put that on there. Tighten her up. I don't need them anymore, not too much, not really. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I don't know, is this too small? I don't really know how big this person is. You know what? Let's just see. If I had to change it, I have to change it. Leave a little play. Okay. Should be good. All crimped up. Crimp beads. And crimped. You gotta crimp the crimp beads. Make sure they're on there good. Alright, so that's it. Got a charm bracelet here. It says Believe, Seahorse, with that pretty scales on it, and a shark, a seahorse, and we got like a tail, like a whale tail, and then another shark, and it's blue, pink, and black. I figured put the blue over here, give it a little more pizzazz, a little more pop. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please follow your dreams. Have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day to everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a good day.